JBs Screaming REALS. This morning I'm off over to the Dee estuary. It's a mark I located a couple of weeks ago. This is the mark I'm heading for. Fished it, but I blanked. The angler to the left of me, I seen him pull 6 out. So my target today is flatfish. I'm going to do a catch, fillet and cook. I've got a nice recipe for this fish. The time, it's about 6:30 now. High tide isn't about till 12 o'clock. But I'm getting a bit early. I want to try and get on the mark where I seen the other angler pulling all of them fish out. The bait I'm using today is blow lug, which I pumped yesterday off Crosby Beach. I got about 30 worms, so I've saved myself £21. Well, I'm here a bit earlier than expected because I want to fish the flood, but I thought while I'm here I'll just throw a rod in. Got 2 rods in, just fishing with flatty rigs and a bit of blow lug. Chilly at the moment, but let's see what happens. Tide's pulling like mad, so I've just come to this end. There's less debris in the water and a little bit slack. Let's see if anything happens here. I think I've come on the wrong tide. 9 metre tide, it's just rushing. I'm going to see if it slackens off. Try and catch something. Well, I've been fishing for about 2 hours now. I'm going to give it another half hour. Looks like it's going to be another blank. I'm getting a bite now. Here we go. Nice size. Just as it's on slack water, start to bite. Well, that was a hard session. Just one fish caught, but at least I never blanked. I think the mistake I made was fishing it on a 9 metre tide. So next time I'm not going to fish it no higher than an 8 metre. So the fish are caught. Let's get it home and I'll show you how to fillet it and cook it. Right, for this recipe we're going to need some peas, butter, salt and pepper, a couple of potatoes, mint sauce, horseradish, lemon and some flour. Firstly, we're going to peel and boil the potatoes. Then we're going to chop the potatoes. Right, we're just going to let them boil in some salted water. About 8 to 10 minutes. Just put the peas in the water you use to boil the potatoes. Start mashing up. Mash the potato up. Bit of butter. Salt and pepper. A little bit of cream. bit of horseradish. Right, set that to one side. Right, I've got a bit of a problem. The fish that I caught, it escaped back in the river. So I've had to improvise. Different fish, same recipe. To fill it, just cut under there. Just go down the backbone. Right, cut down the backbone. Follow the bones. Down there. Okay, we have one fillet. Trim off the lip bones. Right, what we need to do now is a bit of flour. Oh no. Pepper. Salt. A little bit of flour. Turn over. Again, season with salt and pepper. Put that flour. In a pan on a medium heat. We'll melt some butter. A bit of salt and pepper. Lower the heat down. Now we're going to add our fish fillets. Skin side down first. Then fry for about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. split the fish over. Right, we're going to add some lemon zest. Now we're going to add some lemon juice. Full lemon. Now we're going to take our peas, what we cooked earlier on. We're going to give them a bit of a scrunch up. Scrunch the pea. Now we're going to take some of our mint sauce. Pour some of the mint sauce on. Not too much, not too. Stir around. Right, put that there. Let's clean the surfaces. So take some of our peas. Some of our mashed potatoes. And some of our fish. And there we go. Until next time, Screaming Reels.